Hello katribo! Gamit tayo ng alluring set. Alluring set natin is a non-peeling and starter ng K&K. 5 easy steps ng alluring set. Kilamos lang tayo ng sabon. Our soap reduces skin blemishes, lightens uneven skin tone, helps exfoliate dead skin, kaya i-wash lang natin. Second step, alluring toner. Our alluring toner balances skin's pH, tightens pores, and preparing our skin for better absorption of serums and moisturizer. Kaya i-spread lang natin ng maigi. Ganyan lang. Yan. Pati ang neck. Huwag niyong kalimutan. Self-love and self-care talaga ang pag-spread, no? Alluring serum provides intense hydration, targets skin concerns such as fine lines, dark spots. It has active whitening ingredients, and it also nourishes our skin for a radiant complexion. Madali lang talaga tong i-spread kasi since our alluring serum, water-based po to, and yan, ganyan lang, spread it out, spread it out, spread it out. Ang neck, huwag natin kalimutan. Okay, dokie. Alluring whitening cream whitens uneven skin. Regular use of our alluring whitening cream, you can achieve a smoother skin texture and more even complexion. Kaya wag tipirin. Mauna ni ang atong gusto. Nga mo puti ang atong panagway ug mo gwapatag maayo. Yun bang photo ready na? Diba? Kana gyung mo second glance ang atong mga kasugat. Oh yeah! And ang last step natin, ang dual action product na moisturizer na sunblock pa. Sun Glow lang by K&K that gives a sun-kissed skin every day. Parang naka-powder ka talaga. Ang effect niyan, as in. Anyway, our alluring set is safe for pregnant, lactating moms, and pwede siya sa kalalakihan, sa lahat ng genders, and sa mga teens natin. And ano lang yan, user-friendly. User-friendly parang cellphone. Pwede to siya sa melasma, may mga acnes, gustong mo gwapa nga naara sa usa ka set. And finishing touches. Para kompleto ang ating get up, yan, may K&K Lippies collection po tayo. Separate po to sa pagbili nyo sa local natin. And yung ginamit ko ngayon is the BTS gel tint na pwedeng cheek and lip po yan. Sobrang easy to use and marami tayong pagpipilian. So try nyo na ang ating 4-season non-peeling alluring set. Worth your money talaga to and kompletos ricados na. Reveal your radiance without the peeling by K&K. Kaya join na our tribe.